On top the 2019 presidential election which held for Nigeria between candidates from different political parties. This election saw Naintanda Muhammadu Buhari as the winner of the presidential election for APC for Nigeria. The oath-taking ceremony where them go take give President Muhammadu Buhari power to enter office for the second time as the president of the country, shele for Eagle Square, Abuja. Many ogbonge people for we country 9-day gidigba for the oath-taking ceremony of President Muhammadu Buhari as the president of we country for the second time. National chairman of the party APC Adams Adiyosomole, national leader Bola Ahmed Tinubu, one of the leaders of the party Bisi Akonde, immediate past chairman of the party Professor John Odige Oyegun, state governors wey inauguration no shele for their state like Governor of Edo State Godwin Obaseki, captains of industry, traditional rulers, and National Working Committee of APC. Now all of them dey gidigba for this inauguration ceremony. Acting Chief Justice of we country dey gidigba for the swearing-in ceremony of President Muhammadu Buhari as e be say na im go swear am in as the president. President Muhammadu Buhari na im be the number 4 Presido for we country since 1999 when Nigeria begin practice democratic system of government, the one wey we sabi as democracy. The oath-taking ceremony begin with the Vice Presido of we country and his wife, Professor Yemi Osinbajo and Dolapo Osinbajo, as in waka go take the oath, where them take make promise to serve Nigeria and the people of we country. Wewe.
I, Yemi Osinbajo, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful
to bear true allegiance
to
the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully, and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law.
As Professor Yemi Osinbajo don taking hold of office as the Vice President of we country for the second term, President Muhammadu Buhari and the wife, Aisha Buhari, waka go take their own oath of office from the acting Chief Justice of the country, where them take pledge their loyalty and support to the people of the country.
I, Muhammadu Buhari, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
As President Muhammadu Buhari taking hold of office, and this will make Antanda as the president of the country for second tenure for the next 4 years, and he can dey gidigba as the commander-in-chief of the armed forces of Nigeria. He can observe the lowering of the national and defense flag, the one which show the end of one tenure, and the raising of the national and defense flag, the one which show say new tenure, it don't begin. And this one then presents the flag to the president, and the president present the new one to the chief of the defense staff, as this one shows say new tenure don't begin for President Muhammadu Buhari for Nigeria. As them raise the flag finish, the one way in sabi as hoisting of the national and defense flag, the officers of the armed forces of we country, they can't do the 21 gun salute to President Muhammadu Buhari. After the 21 gun salutes, where them do give President Muhammadu Buhari, the president of we country, President Muhammadu Buhari, come walk around to take away salute and better gbosa give all the people where they Eagle Square for Abuja there, to take thank them as they make Antanda gidigba as the president of the country, and to carry Nigeria waka go the next level. Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top the inauguration ceremony of President Muhammadu Buhari as the president of Nigeria for the second term, after the end of im tenure when im bin enter office for May 29, 2015, when he take over from PDP wey dey di power for 16 years. And dis im second tenure na im wan carry Nigeria go the next level. The ogbonge informate wey una hear so on top the inauguration ceremony of Presido Muhammadu Buhari as the president of Nigeria na T Live Media na im tanda am gidigba give una.